What's up guys, it's me Packy, and today we're coming at you with a ball video, the Zenith Pearl, and we're going to compare it to the original Zenith and show you why it's a little bit different and maybe even a little bit better. So let's get into it. One for one. Oh, I moved up on the approach. That's why. 2 for 2 so far. Stepped up, threw it left. Ah! 3 for 3. If I stand here, can you see me still? Can you? I don't know where I was standing. Close. I just make sure when I tell them that this ball is amazing that they can, you know, get a little up close and personal. Connor left rosin all over the... I'm putting that in the video, and I'm sending it right to Connor. Look! That is so bad. It's that powder. That's good. I needed to zoom it out. I could stand here and say that that ball is the best ball that I've ever thrown. It's weaker than I thought. I think I put the wrong layout on it. Too long of a pin. I think it's like 5. Tell me that wasn't crazy. Ball's just that good? I will say though, with this layout, I have to throw it straight at the gutter or it doesn't hook. You want me to show the people what I'm talking about? What if I can't miss? What if I'm too good? I mean, you think if I hit it with surface, it would hook from there? Not like crush it, but just take the surface off. Okay. God, that's so bad. How to not bowl with Packy hand. Title of this ball video, how to throw it bad. B, the sprinkler system. Trying to murder it, just hit it a little softly, just knock the polish off. Because Brandon said it's gonna hook if I do that. Just 1,000, lightly. That's way left, and it rolled out. Way too much surface. You know what it was? I know exactly what it was. Way too much surface. The only reason I miss is because I don't have my deviate arm sleeve on. I'm gonna move a little right after that. Way too much surface. 2 and 1. Slow down. All right. Oh my God, my hair looks bad. So you might think just hitting it with surface kind of defeat the purpose of it being a hybrid bowling ball. For me, that answer is going to be no. A lot of times, especially with a long layout like this, it's like 5-inch pin. But the symmetrics for me tend to go a little too long, create some unneeded over-under on the lane, especially on house shots, which is really the only time that I would use this ball. So I hit it with 1,500.
Every single thing you told me was a lie.
Bring it a little closer to the top end of my bag, cancel out a little of that over-under, so when I miss in, it still hooks instead of it kind of just squirting down lane and leaving a bucket or a 3-pin like you guys saw earlier. So let's get back in, throw a couple more shots, and then compare it to the Zenith. Threw it bad. Tried to move my eyes in. Oh. All right, so I moved my eyes in. 2 and 1 left. Make another 2 and 1. See what happens. All right, I'm just gonna go 2 and 1 until I can't strike. And then I'm gonna switch to the Zenith. Looks like that's it. Now I'm gonna go 2 and 1 until I can't strike. Trying to still keep it slow, send it to the left because it needs friction to strike. Oh, light. Another 2 and 1.
Another one.
The Zenith in the same spot as that one. Similar layout, little stronger with the Zenith. Same spot as that high hit. I expect it to do about the same thing. Another high hit, maybe Big Four, maybe Brooklyn. Yeah. I'm gonna move a 2-in-1 with the Zenith Pearl and see what happens. Aced! So that was the perfect shot with the Zenith Hybrid. Now I'm gonna throw the original Zenith from the same spot. Again, I expect it to go super high. Probably not as high as the last one, but maybe a 6-pin, hopefully. I say 6-pin, I meant 4-pin. That.
Another one.
So that one went a little light with the hybrid. I'm gonna throw this one, and hopefully we'll end the video on this one. A good one, maybe. Oh, dribbled it. All right, so that last shot with my Zenith Hybrid messengered the 5-pin. So now I'm gonna try and throw this one good. End the video on a good note. This one should go flush from where the Zenith Hybrid goes weak. Digs a little more in the oil. I expect this to be perfect. Well, there you have it. Nothing like claiming a ball is supposed to be perfect and getting 4. All right, so the hybrid went light. Zenith hooked way too much. Move another 2-in-1, throw it a little better speed. This one should be good. All right, basically, this is the Zenith Pearl. It is significantly weaker through the fronts than my Zenith, original Zenith, or Zenith Solid, as I might call it. It's about, 4 boards a little left of the Zenith. Doesn't quite hook as much, but after I hit it with a little surface, really blended out the over-under nicely. For those of you who want to know, 5-inch pin, 5.5-inch pin, 5-inch pin, numbers, stats, right up in this area of the screen. All right, one more messenger just for good luck. Or just flush. That's done.